Welcome to Jellybean Jingles, where stories come alive with magic, fun, and beautiful lessons. Hello, little friends. Ready for a wonderful adventure? Sit back, relax, and let your imagination fly into a world of stories. Today, I'm going to tell you a beautiful and meaningful story about family, togetherness, and the true power of unity. In a peaceful village, surrounded by green fields and gentle winds, lived an old man with his 3 sons. The old man was kind, wise, and hard-working. He loved his sons and wanted them to live happily together. But sadly, his sons were always fighting. "Why did you take my tools?" shouted the eldest son. "I needed them first," replied the second son angrily. "You both are always arguing," said the youngest, pushing them aside. Every day the house was filled with noise and anger. One evening, the old man sat quietly and called his sons. "My dear sons," he said gently, "why do you fight like this every day?" The eldest son crossed his arms and said, "Because they never listen to me, father." The second son replied quickly, "That's not true. You always try to control everything." The youngest added, "No one understands me in this house." The old man sighed deeply. "My sons, you are brothers. You should stand together, not against each other." But the sons turned away, still unhappy. Days passed, and the old man grew weaker. He knew he had to teach them a lesson they would never forget. One morning, he called them again. "Come here, my sons. Today, I want to show you something important." The sons came, curious but still a little irritated. "Go outside and bring me some sticks," the old man said. The sons looked at each other. "Sticks?" asked the youngest. "What for?" said the second son. "Just bring them," the old man smiled. Soon they returned with a handful of sticks. The old man took one stick and handed it to the eldest son. "Break this," he said. The eldest son smiled confidently. "That's easy," he said, and snap! The stick broke instantly. The second son laughed. "That's too simple, father." The old man handed a stick to him. "Then you try." Snap! It broke just as easily. The youngest son grinned. "My turn," he said, and quickly broke the stick. All 3 sons laughed. "Father, this is too easy," they said together. The old man smiled softly, but said nothing. Then slowly, he gathered several sticks and tied them tightly into a bundle using a rope. He handed the bundle to the eldest son. "Now, try to break this." The eldest son held the bundle firmly. "This should be easy too," he said confidently. He tried to bend it. He used more strength. He struggled harder, but the bundle did not break. He frowned. It's harder than I thought." He passed it to the second son. "Let me try," said the second son. He pulled and bent the bundle with all his strength. His face turned red with effort. But still, it did not break. "This is strange," he said. The youngest son stepped forward. "I will break it," he said with determination. He tried with all his power. He pushed, pulled, twisted. But he could not break it either. Finally, all 3 sons looked at their father in surprise. "Father, we cannot break it." The old man looked at them kindly and said, "My dear sons, did you notice something?" The eldest son nodded slowly. "When the sticks were alone, we could break them easily." The second son added, "But together, they became strong." The old man smiled. "Yes, exactly," he continued gently. "My sons, you are just like these sticks. If you stay alone and keep fighting, anyone can break you. Anyone can defeat you. But if you stay together, if you support each other, if you stand united, then no one can harm you." The words sank deep into their hearts. The sons looked at each other, not with anger this time, but with understanding. The eldest son spoke softly. "I think we were wrong." The second son nodded. "Yes, we were only thinking about ourselves." The youngest son said quietly, "We forgot that we are brothers." They turned to their father. "We are sorry, father. Truly sorry." The old man's eyes filled with happiness. That is all I wanted, my sons. To see you together. From that day on, everything changed. The sons stopped arguing. Let's work together, said the eldest one day. Yes, we can finish faster, said the second. And have more fun too, laughed the youngest. They helped each other in the fields. They shared their work. They laughed together. Their home, once filled with anger, was now filled with happiness and peace. The old man watched them with a smile. His heart was finally at rest. So, little friends, what did we learn from this story? Unity is strength. When we stand together, we are strong. When we fight and stay apart, we become weak. Always love your family. Always help each other. And always stay united. Hope you enjoyed this lovely story, little friends. If you liked it, don't forget to smile, share, and come back for more magical adventures. This is Jellybean Jingles, where every story has a heart. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.